Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here for another one of these wonderful 10 by 10 canvases today. I will be doing a black background, hopefully leaving some nice negative space, and once again today I will be working with the primary colors. These are leftovers, so I'm not quite sure the names. I have red, blue, and yellow. I also have some white. All my paints are mixed with water, Floetrol, and a little bit of silicone apart from my white and my black. So I will be keeping it simple again today. I will be doing a dirty cup and probably just a flip and drag, trying to go something very simple, very clean with nice, beautiful, bright colors. So here we go. So, although simple is best, simple is not always easy. I enjoy doing this piece, and I can't wait to do the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.